Hello, I'm Nate Hall, Power Equipment Product Manager for Multiquip. I'll be reviewing some of the many features that make the MQ Power DLW400 a standout welder generator. There are many factors to consider when purchasing a welder: job requirements, utilization, return on investment, as well as the versatility and long-term performance of a brand you select are each key considerations. MQ Power welder generators enjoy an unmatched reputation for performance, versatility, and reliability that together help maximize your ROI. Take a closer look at the DLW400 ES84 and you'll see that this simply isn't another welder. It's an MQ Power whisper weld, and that means power generation is in its DNA. This 400 amp DC welder also produces 14,000 watts of AC power output when used as a generator to gain more versatility out of your equipment. Before we get into that, let's go over some of the key features that make this such a great welder. The DLW400 meets the demands of the welder needing a single, full-range, 400 amp machine to tackle the most demanding stick and wire feed applications. With the dual weld capability, it can support 2 operators simultaneously in production welding and fabrication environments. MQ Power welders have a reputation for offering smooth, arc characteristics, consistent penetration, and superior weld quality. Smart Stick enables the operator to regulate engine runtime during operation. One advantage with the Smart Stick is the operator can dial a time frame between 1 and 30 minutes, and if there's no weld output performed, the unit will actually shut down. Restarting is quick and easy. The operator simply taps the rod on the grounded work, the engine starts automatically, and you're up and welding in no time. Smart Stick reduces on-site noise, lowers fuel consumption, and extends service intervals to decrease maintenance costs. Let's get back to the power generation for a moment, because that's what truly makes this machine outstanding. As noted earlier, the unit provides 14,000 watts of AC power output when used as a generator to run tools and other equipment on the job. You can also use this as a welder while supplying AC power. Available AC power will vary according to the welding demand. Still, you get unmatched versatility. Rental operators can deploy it into a wide range of applications as a generator, even during peak demand such as emergencies or other natural disasters. Contractors and those in industrial sectors such as oil fields and steel workers clearly benefit from having one machine that truly can do it all. Inside the cabinet is a reliable 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine that is powerful and fuel efficient. You can also specify an optional trailer with available 28-gallon fuel cell to increase total run times. True to its DNA, the DLW400 delivers the performance you come to expect from MQ Power products. Our reputation for sound attenuation carries over to the whisper weld design. Precision voltage regulation ensures superior weld quality and optimizes performance and longevity of your AC powered equipment. There's much more to the DLW400 that we haven't covered. To better understand its capabilities, set up a demonstration with your Multiquip representative. When you're looking for a welder, trust the professionals at MQ Power to provide you with solutions that exceed your expectations.